Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this DeLonghi espresso machine, and let's go ahead and make a shot.
It's a Jura.
Excuse me, Jura. The Jura J5. It defaults to normal, which is a bit weak, and we just showed you how we did the extra strong by choosing the extra strong on the top, rotating the dial, and then we pressed the button that we wanted twice, and that allowed us to have an extra strong shot. Alright, now we're going to test the steam just with water to see if it'll suck water properly. It's heating still. And it works. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.